So I'm just unwrapping this dishwasher tablet because it's one of these ones which you put it in the dishwasher and then this just melts when the water gets hot. Let's just try and see what that does. So we just dip it in a bit of water over here and we'll just wiggle that around like that. Go round circles. And as you can see, that is already working. This area is definitely much more baked on. But look how easy that is compared to using the baking powder, baking soda, bicarbonate of soda with it, what you will. Look at that, really coming off easily. You didn't even have to wait my 30 minutes for it to soak in. So look at that, almost gone. Very, very quick indeed. So I'm going to try the two methods, unless I'm doing the first method wrong with the baking, so the bicarbonate of soda and the white vinegar. I don't know, maybe I am. People will tell me in the comments section, I'm sure. There we go, all done. Let's go over that bit again. Ever so quick. Put your gloves on if you're going to do this, because my hands are fairly hard and doing a lot of DIY stuff, etc. But if you've got allergies, I'd definitely put your gloves on. But that certainly seemed to work a lot better. So I've just washed that off with clean soapy water with just a bit of washing up liquid in it, and that's come off quite easily now. I'm just going to turn it over. When you refit the glass, make sure you fit it the right way round on this one. It does say which side of the glass has to face into the oven. Just make sure you put them back in the facing the same direction as you did when you took them out, so otherwise it'll break the glass with the heat, no doubt. Just going to polish this up now with a nice bit of clean dry towel, and hopefully it'll look all nice and sparkly. There we go. Right. Result. As I say, this has probably not been done for 6 or 8 years. I've got another door over here which is from the top oven, which hasn't probably been, the top oven hasn't been used as much, so it'll be interesting to see whether that one, which is over here, comes off any easier. Just going to turn this over and do a final clean on the edges and the other side, and then that'll be ready for putting back. Just clean the inside of the door in the oven. Yeah, so I normally get fairly regularly cleaned. You can now see me through here. Happy days. All pretty clean. I'm happy with that. Just as I say, make sure you put the glass back into the door the way, in the same order as you took it out. It does say on the outside of this, it does have writing telling you which way around to put it on this particular one, which is a Zanussi. So hopefully the others do as well. But I'm now just going to do the top oven door and see whether that works any better.